Welcome back, students. In this section we are discussing about the twinkling effect of stars and the earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. Based on the phenomenon of light, how we can explain the twinkling effect of stars and how we can give an explanation for the earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. Before moving to the explanation of these phenomena or these particular natural phenomena, once again we have to consider the refraction phenomenon of light. We already learned about the refraction, that means when light moves from one type of transparent medium to another type of transparent medium, its path undergoes a change or its path undergoes a deviation. That path change is known as the refraction. Then if we consider the path of light through the atmosphere, we all know that the atmosphere contains this air, and this atmosphere can be divided into different layers. The things you may be familiar, that is the atmosphere can be divided into this troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, then ionosphere, and these particular classifications are already you know. Then if we are considering these particular layers, all these layers contains the air and other dust and other particles, but these distributions of particles or the molecular distribution is not in a uniform manner. In a very simple manner, different layers of this atmosphere contains different amount of particles. So what happens? Due to the distribution variation of particles, these layers can be behave like different types of transparent medium. All these layers are air, but due to the uneven distribution of molecules and particles, different layers can be behave like different type of transparent medium. If it is possible to consider the atmosphere as different types of transparent medium or combination of different layers of different transparent medium, what happens to the light when it is moving from one layer to another layer? Surely it undergoes refraction due to the refractive index variation or due to the optical density variation of different layers. And this type of refraction is known as atmospheric refraction. When light travels through different layers of atmosphere, due to the optical density variation or due to the refractive index variation of different layers, the light undergoes refraction, and that refraction is known as atmospheric refraction. Based on this atmospheric refraction, we can explain the phenomena such as twinkling effect of stars, an earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. So you have to keep in mind the phenomenon atmospheric refraction. That means whenever light moves from one layer of atmosphere to the other layer of atmosphere, what happens? Its path undergoes a variation or change, and that is known as the atmospheric refraction. Different layers of atmosphere has different optical density, and these optical density is not a fixed one. These optical densities are randomly varying one because of the pressure variation or temperature variation. The optical densities of these layers undergoes random variations. That means if a particular time one layer behaves as a denser one comparing with the topper one, then what happens? If the temperature or pressure variation takes place, then that layer may be behave like a rarer one comparing with the topmost layer. This kind of random changes or random variation takes place in the atmospheric layer due to the pressure variation or temperature variation. So different layers of atmosphere has different optical densities, and these optical densities also randomly varying one. Okay. Then when the light rays from sun travel through the atmosphere and reaches the surface of earth, what happens? In between these different layers of atmosphere, these light rays should suffer a path change or a deviation, or it undergoes a atmospheric refraction. How we can explain the twinkling effect of stars based on this atmospheric refraction? So consider a star. which is far away from the surface of Earth. And what happens? The light rays from these stars has to travel a long distance through the atmosphere. That means these light rays from the stars has to travel a long distance through the different layers of atmosphere. Then what happens? Due to the optical density variation of the layers of atmosphere, these light rays undergoes a refraction, or these light rays path undergoes a variation. As a result of this path variation or path deviation, the apparent position of stars undergoes continuous change. Apparent position means that is not the actual position. When we are observing an object under water, or if an object is immersed under any other fluid, then what happens? The position of that object is not visualized as an exact location. That imaginary position is known as the apparent position. Okay. Then due to the atmospheric refraction, the apparent position of stars undergoes random variation. This random change in the apparent position of these stars does not visualize as the path position change. Instead of that one, we only experiences the light intensity variation. The one reason is the stars appears as a very small point source of light because they are very far away from us. From the surface of Earth, the stars are situated at a long distance, and due to this one, it is only appears as a small point source of light. Due to these two reasons, the random change in the apparent position only results in the light intensity variation. The position will seems to be the same, and the intensity of light undergoes variation. That light intensity variation results in the twinkling effect of stars. That means for some time the stars appears as brighter, and the another small interval of time it appears as a fainter one. Due to the intensity of light, the variation of intensity of light results in this kind of a twinkling effect of stars. The basic phenomenon behind the twinkling effect of star is atmospheric refraction. Due to the atmospheric refraction, the apparent position of stars undergoes random variation, and the random variation in apparent position results in the light intensity variation. Therefore, we feels that the stars shows a twinkling effect, or stars becomes as brighter and fainter. This is the reason or explanation for the twinkling effect of stars. And why these stars only shows this kind of twinkling effect? Instead of these stars, the moon and other planets are unable to show this kind of a twinkling effect. Why? The reason is very simple. Comparing with the stars, the moon and other planets are very close to Earth. Comparing with the stars, comparing with the other stars, the moon and planets are close to Earth. As a result of that one, the apparent position change results as the apparent position change instead of a light intensity variation. Since they are very close to us, comparing with the stars, it is not possible to consider as a point source of light, or it is not appears as a small point source of light. Due to this one, the apparent position change does not result in the intensity variation. They are not possible to consider as a point source of light since they are close to Earth, and as a result of that one, the apparent position change does not result in the intensity variation, light intensity variation. Due to these reasons, the moon and other planets does not show this kind of a twinkling effect. Okay. The next phenomenon is earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. What is this earlier sunrise and delayed sunset? Normally, we are considering the sunrise and sunset with respect to a horizontal line. From the point of observer, we have to consider a horizontal line to the surface of Earth. With respect to that line, we are considering the actual sunrise and actual sunset. due to the rotation of Earth, whenever the position of sun crosses this horizon line in the morning, when this horizontal line or this horizon line crosses the sun, we consider it as the sunrise, and in the evening when it again crosses this horizon line, we are considering the sunset. Then what is this earlier sunrise and delayed sunset? Earlier sunrise means normally we are considering whenever the sun's position crosses the horizon line, we consider the actual sunrise. And the earlier sunrise means before the actual sunrise, a 3 to 4 minutes earlier than the actual sunrise, we can see the sun, or we can visualize the sun before the actual sunrise. That is the earlier sunrise. And delayed sunset means normally the actual sunset is whenever the position of sun crosses the horizon line, we are in the evening we are considering it as the sunset. And the delayed sunset means the actual position of sun crosses the horizon line, but even after that, 3 to 4 minutes, the position of sun is visible, or it is possible to visualize the sun even after the actual sunset. That is known as the delayed sunset. And how this earlier sunrise and delayed sunset happens? Here also the atmospheric refraction is the reason. Comparing with the normal daytime or in the noon time, in the morning and in the evening, the sunlight has to travel a long distance through the atmosphere. With respect to that observer, during the early morning and in the evening, the light rays from the sun has to travel a long distance through the atmosphere. Then as a result of this long path, the light rays suffers a large amount of atmospheric refraction or deviation in its path. As a result, the apparent position of sun is possible to visualize before the actual sunrise and after the actual sunset. That is the reason for this earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. The basic phenomenon behind this earlier sunrise and delayed sunset is atmospheric refraction. During the early morning and in the evening, sunlight has to travel a long distance through the atmosphere with respect to that observer. As a result of that one, these light rays suffers a large amount of atmospheric refraction, and the apparent position of sun is possible to visualize before it crossing the horizon in the morning and in the evening. Due to this one, the earlier sunrise and delayed sunset happens or takes place. So, in this section, we are only considering the two natural phenomena. One is the twinkling effect of stars, and the other one is earlier sunrise and delayed sunset. The reasons for these particular phenomena, these particular natural phenomena are atmospheric refraction.